Okay, yeah, just want to show you how to record in a Presonus Studio 1, how to record my Zimdancehall vocals, So first, when you open Presonus Studio 1, just to come here where option, then audio device, we'll select the interface here. We want to kushandisa over your kushandisa is for me a focus ready USB, select, okay, see, then you come here when runs edit track, you can edit track, type track, is here, you need to select mono for vocals, then select OK, then you go to my files, you drag beat track like this, then put it here, see, then you come here by input, select a mic yako. This for me in channel 2. Select if you want to monitor, you can monitor. Also if you don't want to monitor, you can monitor. See what you need to monitor, you see. Then enable record. Then you see. What's why mambo? Yeah, outer. See, that is all. How to record in Presonus Studio 1. We're not record Zimdancehall vocals. Yeah, thanks for watching, sharing, like. Don't forget to subscribe. You see, next video you can easily ask me. I can do. You see. Thanks. Peace with you.